So, hey guys, it's Super Dan with you, man. Welcome back to the channel. I don't like that.
Oh.
Did that work? No.
I thought it worked.
I thought it was pretty stupid, but nah. I'm trying new intros, and I like the last several videos
You were being
I've recorded.
serious?
I didn't like it.
I loved it. I just
funny
didn't think you
because
were
it was
being
stupid,
serious.
right?
Oh, I
funny.
thought every time you did that, you were making fun of me.
No, it's making fun of like 98% of
Oh,
people
okay.
under the age of 20.
Okay.
Or 25, I don't know. No, I am trying new intros. That's not it though.
Okay,
Unless I get a million views on this, because everybody,
So, hey guys.
doubtful. Yeah. So, all right, welcome back to another video. I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, and I've got another shoe review to do today. This is a shoe I've recorded actually 2 videos already today by myself. Peyton and Atticus were already in bed or getting ready for bed. Haley wasn't here, but I needed Haley for this one specifically.
Ooh.
Because I feel like this particular shoe is one that I don't care too much about. She cares more about, and the kids these days seem to be all over it. Before we go any further, though, we need a word from our sponsor.
Jesus.
Our sponsor for this video, sponsor for everything we do, mine, Haley's, and yours too.
You just sounded like Dr. Seuss. Sponsor for everything you do, mine, yours, Haley's too, or mine, Haley's, yours.
I can't
too.
see my thing. Matthew chapter
How
27.
do you even see any of that?
Back behind. I just remembered because it's been there for so long.
Right,
Matthew
but
chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He looks up to the heavens. He says, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5. That one I can read now because Peyton made me a nice little colored thing. It says, I will never leave you. I will never abandon you. I will never forsake you. And he's talking about us, and he's never going to forsake me. I believe that he's never going to forsake me because Jesus said, forsake me instead. And I am the righteousness of Christ because Jesus allowed God to take all of that out on him instead of me. So thank you, Jesus, for that sponsorship and doing that for me. And on with the video. All right, so I think Haley has more to say about this shoe, most likely, than I do, because I couldn't tell you a single one of his songs like Travis Scott, but
Is it Post Malone?
I also I don't think you necessarily know more about him like Post Malone or Frogman. Is that what it was?
Oh, Cave Town.
Which is Frogman?
Frogman, yeah.
Yeah, the song. But I think you probably know more about him than I do, but you definitely know more about the shoe than I do because you care a little bit about it. And I care nothing about the shoe.
Okay.
Just doesn't do it for me. It's an OG, but it just doesn't do it for me. So we're going to take the shoe out. We're going to take a look at it and get a little bit of feedback.
Yeah, I'm a little concerned. From Hesper?
Haley.
Love you forever. That's so cute.
It's my Air Force One.
Oh.
It's not my Air Force One. It's actually Miguel's Air Force
That's
One.
actually a cute little thing. That looks like how I write my notes.
The box is pretty nice.
And it's like a little baby blue. Oh my gosh, it matches my shirt. Oh my gosh, it exactly matches my shirt.
I just recorded a different video.
Oh, I want to see that.
What?
Well, yeah, what you're picking up.
You can take a look at this one.
This is cute box.
I just recorded this, and it is Celestine blue, which is the same blue that's on the Jordan 13 Soulfly. So I thought this might even be Celestine, but it doesn't say. This is white cobalt tint. Maybe this is cobalt tint. That makes sense. This is cobalt tint. And this is the Nike Love You Forever Air Force One. Do you know what Love You Forever is? Who that quote might be from?
Absolutely not.
I mean, I know because I know who this shoe is the collab
Love
with.
You Forever.
It's an Air Force One Low SP, similarly to how this is an SP, I believe, yes. And they're collabs, but they don't say the name on them like the Travis Scott say.
TS
Nike Air
or
Max
something.
1 CJ.
Or CJ, TS.
Or I don't know where the other ones are, but this one doesn't. This one doesn't say J Balvin. Do you know who J Balvin is? Neither do I.
I know the
I
name, but I don't know what he
I don't
does.
really know who he is either.
Who he does.
Apparently, this is
That's cute though.
something with him. And when I was reading this, I was like, it's A bolt RJX. There's a bolt over here. Oh, that says Air Jordan. Anyways, let's get to this. Actually, I'll show you.
I was gonna say,
I made the video on this.
Whoa,
J
those are
Balvin,
cool.
too.
Those are really cool. I wouldn't wear them actually, but they're cool. Oh my god, I would wear them. Just kidding.
It's a little like
Childish, but I
no,
really love
it's
it.
just like give me some more lights. That's not enough.
Yeah, you're right.
So, anyways, let's put that away. I already made the video on that.
That was really cool.
So this is an Air Force One by Drake. You know more about Drake than I do.
Oh, and I know that he's like a meme because he's so stupid. Sorry to all the Drake fans out there. I hate Drake. I don't hate him. He's such a cringe.
So what do you think about this particular Air Force One compared just to the everyday Air Force?
I would wear that over any other Air Force.
Why?
Just because of this cute little "Love You Forever." That's the absolute only reason why.
This, I think, I don't know, because I don't really do a lot with any Air Force Ones, but I think this is way better material than most Air Force Ones.
Actually, no, I do.
Touch.
I can tell that, especially this part. I can tell.
Touch.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's definitely better. It's not anything great, but it's better than you'd get on most. I also just looked at the Jordan 1 Gorge Green, which is similar to...
Like Gorge, like Gorg?
Gorge, yes.
As in like gorgeous?
No, it's Gorge like... I think a gorge is like a ravine.
No.
You know, like a depression in
Yeah.
land. It's similar to this, but it's green.
Like ugly green with a silver?
It is silver. It does have a silver swoosh.
Ew.
But I don't think it's an ugly green. It's a nice green. I mean, you can see this one too.
Like dookie green?
But anyways, what I'm saying with regards to this is okay.
Have those not come out 6 times this year?
No, it's okay. This is this year.
Or no, last year.
I don't know when it was. But this is okay, but the materials are decent. The materials on the Bordeaux is just a little bit nicer. This is not that nice, but it's definitely nicer than you get on your low courts.
Oh yeah.
But also
I had Air Forces.
You did? I thought you did.
Yeah.
But this is, I mean,
but they were gold instead of silver accents. It was gold, and I had them in 8th grade.
Aside from Drake, this is NOCTA, which is his little Air Force or little branding stuff. This is really stuck to the bottom, so I'm not going to take this whole thing out. This just seems like, what is it?
Polyurethane. I mean, ortholite.
Ortholite, but it is a little bit nicer. And you get some NOCTA on here, and you get to put your tint. What kind of tint? Cobalt. Tint. So all in all, if I was going to wear an Air Force One, I'd much rather wear this than normal, and not because I care anything about Drake. Don't love him, don't hate him, don't care. Just Love You Forever. I don't really care about it on mine. I'm not going to hate on it if I gotta have the Love You Forever in order to have the.
I'm just kidding.
In order to have the better material, then I'll take it.
Oh, it comes with letters.
Yeah, you put
what
your
the heck
beads
is that?
Like.
They want to be like me so bad.
Because you do beads?
Do you not remember when I put letter beads on my Converses and I put cool beans?
Yeah.
Oh, Drake wants to be like me so bad.
So here's our extra pair of laces. They're just white, but they got some big metal aglets, which is kind of cool, I reckon. Aglets. Those are aglets.
It's just a weird word. I know those words.
Are they aglets?
I don't know.
I don't know why I'm thinking that's not it, but whatever.
Agnes?
Otherwise, same shoe. Love You Forever. Y'all can comment down below what Love You Forever is. He doesn't have a song, Love You Forever, or something like that?
I have no idea. I don't know anything about Drake other than he's a meme. That people, like, when people do something stupid, and then, like, online, and it's just like, so that's something Drake would do. Or it's like Drake would curtsy at the Queen.
So y'all comment below on Drake.
Everyone just comment a meme about Drake.
Comment a meme about Drake. Do it.
Drake's the... I need you... Okay, no. Fill in the blank. Drake's the type of guy... ... You fill in the blank. I will read and
there's no
like...
blank. There was just a ...
I'm that blank. You fill in the ...
Drake's the kind of guy... Blank.
Yeah.
Fill in the blank. Yeah. Do it.
I hope somebody does that and actually understands my joke.
I don't know what this is for AWR.
Oh, wait, where you see? Oh, wrong side.
So y'all let me know what you think about these down below, whatever else you know about them, and comment Drake name. Your favorite. What is it again?
What is it again? Drake. Drake's the type of guy.
Drake's the type of guy. Yeah, black. Right. Thanks for watching. This is a quick video, but I wanted to get this up, and I wanted to know what Haley's opinion of this was, because kids these days seem to have gone back to the OG of these. But don't most people want them to be disgustingly dirty?
I don't think they do, but I see so many people with the most disgusting Air Forces on I've ever seen. It's just like all of the
so disgusting Goodwill wouldn't sell it. Like that.
Yes, all of the crease, the stitches are like brown, and
disgusting.
Like they're completely trash. Like the crease is terrible.
I'd rather wear a Drake. But is Drake the kind of guy that would wear trashy, nasty?
No, we're more like a little baby girl. Like
girls are what I see.
Oh, no, you're right.
I
You're
see
right,
girls wearing the dirty Air Forces more than I see guys doing it. Young girls.
Oh no, yeah, I completely agree. Yeah. It's definitely like that. I feel like guys just carry.
What's up with that?
Carry?
So
I don't
Carry what?
No, I didn't mean to say care. I meant to say care.
Care more about their shoes.
Yeah, I feel like that's
but it's
just
almost like it's what they care, so that's what they're doing is more than the disgusting ones. I don't know. Y'all comment down below.
They're just pick me's.
Give us the Drake meme.
I'm just kidding.
Also, tell us what you think about these and what's going on with this Air Force One, not craze, style of dirty Air Forces. This is not
Hashtag
dirty,
stop
it's
the dirt.
clean. I'll wear it. I'm not big on the all white. I'm not big on Air Force Ones. That's about as all white as I get. So, and I mentioned this in another video, one that I've recorded myself, but I couldn't really get a good shot of it. But I had this stacked up to here. I just took one out of here. 2 more were over here. I've just got so many shoes to make videos on, but thanks to Miguel for letting me borrow 4 or 5 of his pairs of shoes to make videos on.
Are those more
Bring you
J
some more
Balvin's?
content. No.
They look like it. The box looks kind of the same.
But to bring you more content and to give you more words from our sponsor. So thanks, Miguel. I appreciate it. Tell your grandma about the Air Force One. She might like the Air Force One.
Tell your grandma to make a Drake meme.
Your grandma might know the Drake memes. You never know. Beans. Your grandma might have the best grandma Drake memes. So tell her about it. Let us know what she has to say. Have her comment. Have her sub. Ooh, grandma told me today that she needs to text you more.
Yeah, she does.
Because apparently you like.
I like Daisy Chung. Yeah. You heard that, Grandma? I don't like her. I mean, I love Daisy Chung. She's a great supporter, but I can't love her more than my own grandma. But Grandma, you better step it up. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, she was like, I guess I'm gonna do this because that kind of hurt my feelings. I'm like, hurt my feelings. She
I
wants
love y'all.
grandma to do the shoe stuff with her when I'm sitting right here doing it with her.
It wasn't the fact about the shoe stuff. It was just, I mean, it wasn't the shoe thing that she was doing. It's just that she was doing it for her grandson. It was just, oh, I need a Daisy Chung.
Yeah, but I want you involved with this. That's why I have you sitting right there.
I want to be involved with this
too.
too.
The director's seat.
It's because I'm in the director's. I mean, it's because I'm whatever. Never mind.
All right, tell your grandma, smash that like button, comment down below. Everything we've already said 100 times. Comment down below. Make sure you sub. Ring the bell. See you next time. Appreciate it.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.